Don't download Chip Investment Platform app before watching this. If you're thinking about downloading the Chip Investment Platform app, pause for a second. Most people get this wrong. They assume it's a full-service investing app, but the reality is more nuanced. Chip markets itself as an easy way to say and invest automatically. It connects to your bank account, analyzes your spending, and then transfers small amounts to your investment account. For beginners, this sounds perfect, but here's the surprising truth: the investment options are limited, and the app doesn't provide deep customization or advanced strategies. Another important point is fees. Chip doesn't charge trading fees on its directly, but there's a monthly subscription for premium features. While it may seem small, these costs add up over time, and most casual investors underestimate how fees affect long-term growth. The app invests mainly in presets designed for simplicity. This means you won't find individual stocks, sector-specific funds, or high-risk options. For someone who wants to actively manage their portfolio or explore niche markets, Chip will feel restrictive. Security is solid, with encryption and FCA regulation in the UK, but remember, investing always carries risk. Your portfolio can lose value, and automated investing can't prevent market downturns. One more thing most people overlook: customer support. Chip's platform is largely automated, and human assistance is limited. If something goes wrong with your account or transfers, getting help can take time. In conclusion, don't download Chip expecting a comprehensive investment platform. It's excellent for beginners who want a hands-off approach and small, incremental investing. But it won't replace a financial advisor or advanced investing tools. Know its limits, and you can use it effectively without unpleasant surprises. If you're looking for simplicity, Chip can help. But if you want full control or sophisticated strategies, look elsewhere.